Very good morning, dear students. I welcome you to this online session. Dear, in our last one class, we were dealing with the biography of Evelyn Glennie. The biography written by Deborah Cawley. There he talked about in this biography, he talked about the journey, the life journey of Evelyn Glennie. As well as we have seen in our last one class, there was a discussion, a 2-hour discussion between Deborah Cawley and Evelyn Glennie, where they had a talk on her efforts, her life journey, her hard work, and how does she feel? How does she feel music? Yes, and in our last one class we have seen how she feels music with her body parts. Okay, besides we have seen that how she was awarded with the prestigious Soloist of the Year award by the Royal Philharmonic Society, which means this society is one of the best, one of the prestigious society in the world, and she got an award by this society, Soloist of the Year. Yes, then again we have seen the appreciating words of James Blades, who is a master percussionist. Yes, he appreciated her, saying that God may have taken away her hearing, but he has given her something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far deeply than any of us, and that is why she expresses music so beautifully. These are the words of James Blades. Okay, so here he appreciated the talent of Evelyn Glennie. Yes, she was so talented and extraordinary, we can say. It would not be wrong to call her an extraordinary girl. As we have seen up to here, she was deaf, profoundly deaf. Not only deaf, but profoundly, deeply, completely deaf. But still, she got mastery over more than 1,000 or some 1,000 musical instruments. She got mastery over some 1,000 musical instruments. Yes, and it's not a simple task, if we think about it. It's not a simple task. Could you? Definitely not. Though you are physically able, but still, I think no one can be like her. Getting mastery over some 1,000 musical instruments, and she plays all of them without effort, effortlessly, without hearing. She plays all the instruments effortlessly, without hearing. So really, there are no words to appreciate her. She is beyond words. हम शब्दों में भी उसकी जो गरिमा है उसको व्यक्त नहीं कर सकते. इतनी ग्रेट हम इवलिन ग्लेनी को मान सकते हैं. Yes, and look at there what there the Cawley said about her in the 9th and 10th para. Okay, look at there. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. In that discussion, Cawley said that yes, in that discussion, Evelyn confessed. There she confessed that yes, She was a workaholic. Workaholic. Workaholic means workaholic. Workaholic. Workaholic means, look at the meaning is already given there in your book. A person who finds it difficult to stop working. Finds it difficult to stop working. That means it is workaholic means the person जो अपने आप को भी काम करने से नहीं रोक सकता, अपने आप को रोकने से वो मतलब रोक नहीं पाता है. It is difficult for him or her to stop working. Such person is called workaholic. ऐसे व्यक्तियों को हम workaholic कहते हैं. Yes. So you can imagine, मतलब वो अपने आप को भी नहीं रोक पाती काम करने से, मतलब एक के बाद एक दूसरी चीजें करने से. She even unable to stop herself. Got it? So that shows, and there she confessed in that talk. उनकी जो टॉक हुआ, उनका जो डिस्कशन हुआ, there she confessed it. उसने कन्फेस भी किया. Yes, and said, I have just got to work often harder than classical musicians. And there she says, yes, I have just got to work. मुझे वर्क ही करना है. I have just got to work and even harder than classical musicians. वो जो classical musicians होते हैं उनसे भी ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क मुझे करना होता है. often harder than classical musicians, but the rewards are enormous means endless, बहुत सारे जिन्हें हम गिन नहीं सकते. ऐसे इसे उसे कहा जाता है enormous. abundant, in number of, that means enormous. So there she said, but the rewards means whatever the rewards she got, जो भी rewards उसे मिले हैं, achievements जो भी मिली है, all are enormous, बहुत है, बहुत ज़्यादा है. Apart from the regular concerts, look at her hectic schedule. It is said in class 9. Okay, sorry, para 9 में उसका शेड्यूल के बारे में कहा गया है. उसने बताई है कि apart from the regular concerts, performances परफॉर्म्ड ऑन स्टेज के ऊपर जो परफॉर्म किया जाता है, परफॉर्मेंस जो होते सिंगर वगैरह के और ग्रुप वगैरह का जो होता है उसे कंसर्ट कहा जाता है. यस, सो हियर अपार्ट फ्रॉम मीन्स इसके अलावा भी, मीन्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम द कंसर्ट्स, रेगुलर कंसर्ट्स, एज वी हैव सीन शी हैड हेक्टिक इंटरनेशनल शेड्यूल. यस, अपने प्रीवियस क्लास में हमने देखी है कि शी हैड हेक्टिक इंटरनेशनल शेड्यूल. बट हियर अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस रेगुलर कंसर्ट्स, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. Look at there, how generous she is. कितनी generous है वो कि अपने रेगुलर कंसर्ट्स जो मनी के लिए बोला जाए या अपने जो रोज गुजारा के लिए किया जाता है, उस प्रकार का जो परफॉर्मेंसेस देती रहती पूरे देश विदेशों में, उनके अलावा शी गिव्स फ्री कंसर्ट्स. Free, look at there, means charity, just for the sake of charity. एक चैरिटी के शेक पर या फिर एक इंसानियत के तौर पे या फिर इंसानियत के नाते she gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. prisons और hospitals में वो free concerts देती है without charge, बिना किसी चार्ज के. Yes, and again she also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. Means she takes classes also, she gives her classes to the young musicians, she gives it priority. और इसको प्रायोरिटी भी देती है to give her concerts or to give her classes or the take classes for the young musicians. जो young musicians है, जो aspiring musicians है. Previously we have seen that how she was aspiring musician. So same here, she also helps the aspiring musicians. जो एस्पायरिंग म्यूजिशियंस है, जो यंग म्यूजिशियंस है, उन्हें वो मदद करती है बाय गिविंग हर क्लासेस। अपनी क्लासेस करा के, क्लासेस उनको उनके सामने कंडक्ट करा के सी हेल्प्स देम। यस, देन एना रिचलिन। अब देखो अनादर थर्ड वन कैरेक्टर। ओके, फर्स्ट वन वी हैव सीन रॉन फोर्ब्स, देन जेम्स ब्लेड्स, and now third Anna Richlin. Anna Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children. Beethoven Fund. Okay, Beethoven Fund, it is name of charity we can say for the deaf children. जो डेफ बच्चे हैं उन लोगों के लिए एक चैरिटी है बेथोवन फंड। वहाँ की जो मेन व्यक्ति है एना रिचलिन। एना रिचलिन, what she said, Anna Richlin said that she is shining inspiration for deaf children. She is shining inspiration. Yes, definitely. एक डेफ गर्ल का वहाँ तक पहुँच पाना, बाकी डेफ जो फिजिकली डिसेबल बच्चे हैं उन लोगों के लिए she is inspiration. She is an inspiration, definitely. She is a shining inspiration for the deaf children. जो भी डेफ चिल्ड्रन है उन लोगों के लिए वो क्या है? शाइनिंग इंस्पिरेशन है। Besides, she said, they see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. And putting forth her example, the deaf children see that, or they realized, the deaf children realized that there is no place where they cannot go. There is no place in the world where they cannot go. ऐसी दुनिया में कोई जगह नहीं है जहां वो नहीं जा सकते। Why they are saying this? Because they have now an example, role model, an ideal, an inspiration before them, and that is none other than Evelyn Glennie. Yes, putting forth her example, keeping her as their ideal, they all now realize that there is nowhere in the world where they cannot go. कैसी दुनिया में कोई जगह नहीं है कि जहां वो नहीं जा सकते। Yes, later on, means this way here Anna Richlin appreciated Evelyn Glennie. And there she said in her words how she has become a role model, ideal and inspiration for the deaf children. Okay, then let's see the last para. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. Means accomplish means achieved, earned, gained. She gained. So there she says Evelyn Glennie has already gained more than most people twice her age. More people twice her age means उसकी एज से दुगने एज वाले जो व्यक्ति है, एवलिन ग्लेनी की एज से जो दुगने एज वाले व्यक्ति है, डबल एज वाले व्यक्ति है, she had gained more than these people twice her age. उसकी उम्र से डबल होने वाले व्यक्तियों से भी ज़्यादा इसने गेन कर लिया था। She has already gained. Yes, she has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra. Front. Look at there. ये जो percussion है, that means musical instruments. Previously you know that. पहले अगर देखे होंगे तुमने कि पुराने ज़माने में जो गाने वाने हुआ करते थे या ऑर्केस्ट्रल प्रोग्राम हुआ करते थे, तो ये जो म्यूज़िक वाले जो हैं, इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्लेयर्स जो हैं, इन लोग को बाजू में बिठाया जाता था या फिर पर्दे के पीछे होते थे, स्टेज पे नहीं होते थे। बट Evelyn Glennie is the person who brought the percussion to the front of the orchestra. ऑर्केस्ट्रा में फ्रंट पे लेके आई। मतलब आज की डेट में देखोगे तो म्यूजिक प्लेयर्स जो है, मतलब ये जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्लेयर्स हैं, उन्हें भी इम्पोर्टेंस प्राप्त हो चुका है, उन्हें भी सामने आज आने का मौका मिल चुका है। Why? Because of Evelyn Glennie. And demonstrated that It can be very moving and as well as she demonstrated, उसने डेमो भी दिखाया, सबके सामने करके भी दिखाया कि these instruments are moving. These instruments can be moved. इनको मूव भी किया जा सकता है. अब पहले की कल्पना यही थी कि हम इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को मूव नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए उनको पर्दे के एक तो बाजू में या फिर पीछे में, मतलब ऑफ द स्टेज रखा जाता था, ऑफ द स्टेज. बट नाउ as she proved that the instruments can be moved, they are moving. So this way she brought the percussion to the front of the orchestra, on the stage we can say. She brought the musicians or these what can say, the percussion from off the stage to the on the stage. Off the stage उनको on the stage लेके आई है. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. Look at the, she has given inspiration. She has given inspiration. सबको inspiration भी है दिया उन्होंने. To the handicap लोगों को भी. Yes. People who look to her and say. अब ये हैंडीकैप व्यक्ति जो उसको देखते हैं और कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं? If she can do it, अगर ये यहाँ मतलब if she can do it, अगर ये कर सकते हैं जो डेफ है, so I can, मैं भी कर सकता हूँ या मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. Means here the people, the physically disabled now called her or made her their inspiration, and now they say means the handicapped, the physically disabled people say that if she can do, अगर वो कर सकती है, so we can, हम भी कर सकते हैं. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. This word is referred to the audience, के people who had heard her, जिन्होंने उनको सुना है, जिन्होंने उनको देखा है. And here it is said at last it is said that she has given enormous pleasure, enormous again, endless pleasure that cannot be counted. She had given everyone enormous, endless pleasure to the millions, the listeners, the audiences. So this way, this is a kind of biography on Evelyn Glennie by Deborah Cawley. So do complete the question answers of this biography and send me back. Send me back on my WhatsApp number. In our next video lecture, we will begin another biography of Bismillah Khan. Okay, so guys, keep watching my videos and enjoy the classes. And if you have any query, just feel free to make me contact. Okay, bye bye, see you soon.